We believe, as an industry, that in the next 1 year, the vast majority of programmers will be replaced by AI programmers.
Former Google CEO Eric Schmidt has made a bold and urgent prediction. Artificial intelligence will achieve general intelligence within 2 years and reach superintelligence in just 5. In simple terms, AI won't just follow instructions. It will think, reason, and outperform many human beings in both intelligence and capability. One of his most eye-opening warnings? AI will replace a large number of human programmers.
One way to say this is that within 3 to 5 years, we'll have what is called general intelligence, AGI, which can be defined as a system that is as smart as the smartest mathematician, physicist, artist, writer, thinker, politician.
Code that once took teams of developers weeks to write can now be generated in seconds by AI. The world is not ready for how fast this is happening, Schmidt said.
What happens when every single one of us has the equivalent of the smartest human on every problem in our pocket? But the reason I want to make the point here is that in the next year or two, this foundation is being locked in, and we're not going to stop it.
Jaw-dropping facts. OpenAI's GPT-4 can write functioning code, debug, and even build apps from scratch. Some startups now run almost entirely on AI-generated software. Google DeepMind's AlphaCode already performs as well as an average human coder in competitive programming challenges. An AI recently invented its own language to communicate more efficiently, a language humans couldn't understand.
Because remember, the computers are now doing self-improvement. They're learning how to plan, and they don't have to listen to us anymore. We call that superintelligence, or ASI, artificial superintelligence. And this is the theory that there will be computers that are smarter than the sum of humans.
AI systems are beginning to teach themselves new skills without human input, a clear sign of self-learning. Schmidt's message is loud and clear. AI is no longer a tool. It's an evolving mind.
People do not understand what happens when you have intelligence at this level, which is largely free.